Dr. Stock viewers, welcoming you all to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you detailing about a simple option strategy. Okay, so that is called a short straddle. How to take a position on short straddle. So, what are the basic requirements that you're going to check for the short straddle, and still how long you can hold that short straddle? Where is the safe point to exit that short straddle? All these things I'm going to explain to you in this video. So listen to this video carefully from start till end. So this will be a beneficial video for you guys. So I'm gonna pick a specific stock and I'm gonna pick up a specific range accordingly. So it's like that range is getting obeyed in this stock. So I am picking this for my short straddle as of now. Okay. So that is what I'm going to show you guys to you lively as of now. It is a live call. You can track this from the coming trading day, that is from Monday, the next trading day by tomorrow. So you can track it until it closes. So hold on a minute, let me start it. So before I start with the key technical things, I want to make this disclaimer. So investments are subject to market risk. Kindly consult your financial advisor before investing. Okay. So in any ways to your profit or loss, our team is not responsible and it is not a trading call. It's just an educational purpose video. So going ahead with the short straddle. Okay. So before I move with the technical points on short straddle option strategy, we want to analyze the chart. Okay. So for a short straddle, what would be the ideal chart pickup is something like a range bound stock will be ideal for a short straddle. If it is going in this direction, so it is a very good advantage that it is moving in a very good range of 360 levels till 430 levels. So that means the stock is traveling in the same way for the past almost close to 30 to 45 days. So since 17th April, this is trading in the same range till this time. It's almost close to 45 days. Okay. And one more important thing, where this stock will get bullish, you have to know that point exactly. Above 430, continuous closing above 430, it is a bullish movement. And continuous close below 360, it will be a bearish movement. These are the key technical points you have to keep in mind before taking a short straddle. So without knowing this, when you take up a short straddle, what will happen is you will not be knowing when to exit and when to hold it accordingly. So that would be the basic key idea here. It is a normal channel pattern. The stock is going as of now. Okay. Let's go to the strategy as of now. Let's check what is the latest price the stock is closed. So it is closing very close to 399.75. So let's round up and make it as 400 as of now. Okay. So as per short straddle, what we'll be doing is, so friends, now starting with the systematic thing which we are going to do as a part of short straddle. So short straddle is nothing but we'll be selling the particular contract and particular month expiry. Okay, it's like particular contract, both call and put we are going to sell, and it is going to be the same expiry. So as of now, we are going to create a short straddle for Sun TV, and the strike price would be 400 call and 400 put. We are going to sell both. So this is the basic concept of short straddle. Let's straightly go to the options, the Opsta Define Edge web thing, strategy analyzer website, to know about how it looks. So I have added both 400 call and 400 put. So we have made a sell on both of this as of now. The strategy is built. Okay. So the probability of the success of this is 57%, and maximum profit is 57,300. This is the one which we're gonna hold till expiry. We can expect this profit, and provided it need to be in this range bound. So that means it need to be in the same range bound of 400 rupees. So maximum loss is undefined in this. And break evens are, this is the important thing we have to note, 361 to 439, and total profit and loss as of now, we have not taken the position is 0. So actually it is a credit spread. Actually, we are selling it, right? It's a credit spread, and estimated margin for this for this call is around 2,05,000, and I'll detail go about this estimated premium margin later. Now let's move on to the strategy now. So we analyze the chart very clearly, and it is a range bound. So we're going to go for this. So on one more confirmation for this range bound is, see the break even point 361 to 439. Okay. So if you don't know to analyze the chart, right, you go directly to the historical data of Sun TV. See the historical data, pick up the last 1 month data. Okay. So it's like you're going to go for the NSE site, give Sun TV here, you'll be getting it. So here it will be like this, and go for historical data and go for 1 month data. You'll be having till 3 months. Go for 1 month data. That is more enough since we are doing for the current month. So already it's like how many days done for this expiry? Already it is close to 4 days or 3 days done for this expiry, and we have around close to 20 more days for this expiry to get complete. Okay, 15 plus 4, 19. Yeah, so it's like 18 days more. So check this latest the last 1 month high and low. So the last high 1 month high is 368 and 427. So it will be very the logic here is it need to be it's a shortcut like logic. It need to be like something like this range. If it is coming plus or minus 5 to the your break even point, then it is going to be like a short like strategy like to make money at this moment. In options we can build multiple strategy, but still what is the movement accordingly we need to build up the strategy, so that will actually give us a very good profit. So now right now the break even is 361 to 439. So when the stock is trading in this range, you won't be in any loss. See this green color area, that is the area where you will be in profit. All the area which is marked in red, right, that is the area where you are going to make unlimited losses. So accordingly you have to exit your position, my dear friends. This is the one important thing you have to keep in mind. 368 is the one which is showing the low here, and 427 is the one showing the high here. So it is well beyond well close to our range bound break even point. So it is the reason of getting 57% probability as of now. So now what if any volatile movement happen after I take my position? For example, right now the position of Sun TV is 400 and I take my position tomorrow. Okay, so what if tomorrow itself 450 rupees my stock is going? What I need to do? And again tomorrow itself my stock is going 350 rupees. What I need to do? So all these things will be a doubt for all of us. Okay, now let me explain you very clearly what are the place where you have to exit, where you have to go accordingly. Okay, don't worry about it. So Sun TV, if you take this 10% movement, right, it would be something like very close to 40 rupees at this moment. Okay, it is 440, and again minus 40 is 360. So we are again to the safe limits. So 10% is a rare chance to move at this moment. So it is again 10% movement is calculated here. So it is like very close to this value. So don't worry about it. You will be, I mean, whenever Sun TV is moving very close to 430 rupees also, you will be in a decent profit. Not 12,300. This 12,300 is somewhat like very close to the expiry. So you'll be in a decent profit of more than 2K, something like that, or more than that also is possible. So according to the day, we need to check this again once more. Similarly, here also 360 levels, if it is trading, you will be in a good profit only. Don't worry about it. It's like you'll be earning a minimum of 3K, something like that. So when is the place where you have to exit? That would be ideally a trick for you all, right? So what you can do is you can hold your position until you are safe on this limit. So okay, 361 to 439. For this, what you can do is take minus 10 in this. Okay, it's like 361 minus 10, it's 371, and 439 minus 10 is 429. Try to be in the same range of 371 to 429. Okay, leave about the 10 points. Try to be in the safe range. Okay, so until you feel that this is the place where you have learned this strategy and you have got a minimum of 2,000 to 3,000 or 5,000, something like that as a profit. Okay, I'm saying as a minimal profit, my dear friends. I'm not counting the maximum profit as we are learning this strategy. Okay, take it in that way. You're learning and earning. Okay, don't take it in a way that you want more money in this strategy as I have to apply this much thing, that much thing. Don't expect that in a first trade or first learning. Okay, as of now, try to learn what is the different things going to happen. So that would be your ideal part, my dear friends. So try to keep it as a safe 370 to 420 levels. I mean 430 levels. That would be very safe. So if this is going to trade for the next 5 days in the same limit, short you will book more than 5,000 profit, my dear friends. So that is one important key point you have to know. You have to keep in mind. Okay. So don't look for more profit as of now. Just look for around close to 5% of your invested amount, or something like very close to 5,000 rupees, or something like 3,000 to 5,000 rupees in this first trade. Okay, that is more enough as a primary start. Okay, so we will go ahead and track this later, but still as an introduction we will have it as a call which is getting placed as of now, and we will work accordingly, right? So now it's like when the stock is going to trade between 370 to 430 levels for the next 5 trading days, you will be definitely in a profit of 3,000 to 5,000. That is no doubt. So when there is anything coming beyond these limits, when the stock is going below 370 or when it is going above 430, kindly try to exit the position. Okay, that means close this call and try to check some other stock which is obeying the same things like in chart and something like the back data, and try to pick it and try to add that to your learning and continue this exercise accordingly. So that what will happen is when you start this exercise, right, when you do it for 5 to 10 times, you'll get more confidence on what are the stocks you have to enter and what are the limits you have to go ahead and do it. All these things will come in practice to you, my dear friends. That is what I have as of now in this video. Try to utilize this and check how it works and give the same in the comment box, my dear friends. And moving on with the margin calculator. Okay, this is actually the famous margin calculator which everyone is using as of now. Since this is the one calculator which is giving the live update on the market rate, which is changed from June 1. Okay, the margin required for trading this call, they have given 2,05,000, right? 2,05,000 something, right? 2,05,530. Actual margin required for this call is 3,38,884. That is before June. Okay, as of now, it is going to be 1,94,109. So it is like you will be required this margin, my dear friends, and this 57,300 rupees will be returned to you on the next trading day. That is after 1 day. So this is the margin required as of now. As of now, it is very close to 1,50,000. So thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Try to look on this as a learning and try to make a test on this with some other things which is matching the stock chart. I mean to say this chart levels and which is matching all these things. Try to make a note on it and try to take your learnings and move accordingly in the short straddle. Okay, this is one of the famous thing in the options strategies, and this is one of the money giving strategy also. So you can earn a minimum money here, and accordingly, if the things are going in your favor, you will earn a maximum money as well. Thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Catch you all shortly with yet another video. Still then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay home for some more days. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.